In today's experience, kids explore conservation of momentum in elastic collisions, and they do it with skateboarding bunnies, cats, and even goldfish, so it's pretty fun. Phenomena experiences are browser-based, so there's no app, nothing to download, and you can use them on any device, though for the best experience, we recommend a larger screen. Each experience explores a single concept over a series of frames. The first frame is always a sandbox where kids can just play. Click and drag the sliders to adjust different variables and see what happens. In the sandbox, kids discover relationships for themselves and they develop a mental picture or model that creates lasting understanding. After the sandbox comes challenge frames, where kids use what they've uncovered to achieve different goals. Use the arrows or the numbers at the bottom to advance through the different frames. Each experience ends with things to think about that help prompt kids to make connections between what they've just learned and their own experience. We hope you enjoyed today's experience. We'd love to hear what you think. Send any questions or feedback to people@phenomenalearning.com. See you again soon.